Hi, welcome to this new tutorial. My name is Paul, and this time let's see a quick video how to set up my assets from Jungle Tropical Vegetation, a package available here in the Unity Asset Store and the Artstation Marketplace. Okay, let's get started. But first we can generate something where we can place the vegetation. In this case, I'm going to use some modular asset that I create to generate the demos in the package. And I'm going to generate something simple, but I think it could help us with this sample or this tutorial. Okay, now let's go back in here in this folder, Polybrush data and prefab palette. Let's generate a new palette. Okay, I will go here to Polybrush in my case. If not, you can go to Polybrush and Polybrush window to open this window. Okay, and okay, I will press here and add palette. Okay, I'm going to rename it. Remember, these palettes are not available here in the package, but it's pretty simple to generate a new one. Okay, now let's go here and select sample. Now we just need to drag the prefabs that we need to paint with Polybrush. Okay, let's go here and set mesh, vegetation, tropical vegetation, prefabs, and in this case I'm going to select Avis. Alright, these assets were included in the latest release from the package, and that's why I'm creating this tutorial. Okay, I'm going to select all of these prefabs. And for last, I think just these ones. And it's good for this sample. Okay. Let's start with this prefab. Okay. To give to the vegetation this look that is coming for the ground. Okay. And I will use this other one. So we want to look this or give it a look a little messy. So I'm going to place these other prefabs here. Okay, I think it's good for now, and we want to extend this plant all around the architecture. So I'm going to select the OD0 from this asset for this column, and I will select or press here in the checkbox the assets I want to paint. Okay, I will press here in the uniform scale. The same for this one, and I want to rotate to randomize the rotation in the y-axis. Okay, and now we can start painting and extending this plant. Okay, I'm going to speed up the video. Okay, now I think it's good enough. So now let's go and paint a new kind of plant. Alright, but this kind is quite different because we don't want randomize the rotation because we want the leaves looking down, right? So this one I'm going to press here in the check button of the randomize rotation, but I'm going to set the rotation in the correct value. Okay, I'm going to deactivate this ones, and how you can see now the leaves looks well. Okay, now I just need to do the same for the other ones. Okay, the uniform scale. I'm going to play a little with the scale of these plants, and okay, like that, and set the correct value here in the rotation from the y-axis. Okay, and now we can start painting. Okay, I'm going to start at the same way from the other side. Okay, here I have some prefabs to place in the corners, right? Just fine. And okay, now I can just go here and select the column, and I'm going to extend the plant. Okay, now I'm going to paint here in the other side, but we need to fix the rotation again. Okay, I'm going to select this and set this value. I'm going to deactivate this once. Okay, this is not correct. I think this is the correct value. Okay, yes. And now I just need to do the same. And now I can start painting for this side from the architecture. Okay. Okay, and just like that, we can paint vegetation all around a surface. This is the way I use it, Polybrush, to paint or to place vegetation in my latest environment. In case you miss it, here in the description of the product, you can find a link, or in YouTube in the description of the video, you can find the link to the project into Artstation. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is all for now. See you next time.